Are you a Dynamics or Power Platform developer? Do you want to speed up your efficiency and improve your Visual Studio experience? We got just what you need. My name is Stefan and I'm introducing 𝗙𝗾𝗘𝗽 Analytics, a Visual Studio extension that provides IntelliSense, best practice analytics and an on-demand debug context for your development. For the first feature group, productivity, we have IntelliSense for D365 components such as entities and attributes. 𝗙𝗧 also provides a fast way to deploy plugins and web resources to your CRM environment. The thing I currently love the most is our early bound code generator for C#, TypeScript and JavaScript, because early bound code makes development so much easier. For release 1.3, we provided the early bound code generator for C#, TypeScript and JavaScript, and a late to early bound code converter for C# that comes with special coding features as listed in the roadmap. The 𝗙𝗧 Power Platform SDK will be released with the upcoming features, and those will be an absolute game changer. There will be a code analyzer that checks your code for improvement based on best practice experience. We also developed performance analytics that check your code for optimizations and an on-demand debug context so you can debug your plugins directly from Visual Studio. Those features will be released in the upcoming weeks. The most amazing thing is that all the productivity features are free to use. You can download this extension at the Visual Studio Marketplace. To get more information about 𝗙𝗧, check out our website kuppsoft.com.